Remember all the things we did together, all the fun we had on New Year's Eve, how we danced till dawn, then darling you were gone. Now it's almost too good to believe. Seems like old times, having you to walk with. Seems like old times, having you to talk with. And it's still a thrill just to have my arms around you. Still the thrill that it was the day I found you. Seems like old times, dinner dates and flowers. Seems like old times, staying up for hours, making dreams come true, doing things we used to do. Seems like old times, being here with you. Seems like old times, having you to walk with. Seems like old times, having you to talk with. And it's still a thrill just to have my arms around you. Still the thrill that it was the day I found you. Seems like old times, staying up for hours. Seems like old times, dinner dates and flowers, making dreams come true, doing things we used to do. Seems like old times, being here with you. This is a fun song. This is a request, actually. It's written in 1949, I think. I don't have the date up there. I think it was 1949 by Carmen Lombardo and John Jacob Loeb, L-O-E-B. This was the brother, I believe, of Guy Lombardo, the big band leader. And the person who requested the song saw it in a clip of Diane Keaton singing in a movie. And she said, hey, I think this would sound good on ukulele. And it does, doesn't it? And one thing that makes it sound good in here, and I hope you didn't get scared by the bar chords, because in here they're really simple, and I'm not going to scare you by anything. Now, again, there's one chord in here called a B flat minor 6, and we may address that at two different positions, but basically that's open 1 1 1. And it goes right to a C7, which is open 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 1. Now the next little walk down is a D minor 7, a D6, and a D7. Okay, and it sounds really hard and scary, but it's not, because if you go up to the 5th fret and bar it right there, there's a D minor 7. Just to have, there's our melody. Have my arms around you. It gets flipped to the top string. Round you. So from this C7, and it's still a thrill up to the 5th fret, just to have my arms down to the 3rd fret, D7, round you. Still the thrill that it was the day I found you. Now you could play that in the first positions if you wanted to go. You could go still a thrill, D minor 7, just to have my arms around you. But we still have to do that D6, round you, D7. And up here at this one, it's a 1-finger chord. Down here it's a 4-finger chord. Up here it's a 1-finger chord. So you tell me which one's easiest. So we go still a thrill, and And here we come with our melody note up on the 5th fret. Just to have my arms around you, still a thrill that it was the day I found you. Now, coming up here, and you'll would have seen that what I did in a few places was I played a D7 here and I played a D7 here. I may have played this D7. If you know more than one place to play that chord, go ahead and play it that way. It keeps the listener's ears from being bored. And let's see, the other part that makes this kind of fun, and this might be the challenge, once you get this D minor 7, D6 at the 3rd fret, D7, which is 2 2 2 3, and then the one part in here also that I do when I go through is sometimes if a chord follows you up and you can't play it, just don't strum. So in an example that you saw me do that in here, and it's not necessarily that the chord playing would have been hard, but it shows that you can get away with it. So like when we play our seems like, there's our G minor 7, which is open 2 1 1. Like seems like old times. So that G minor 7 there, if we play a C7 up here at the 3rd fret, so it would be 3 4 1 1. Seems like old. You can skip that G minor 7. Seems like old times. Just don't strum. Seems like old times. And also in the one section where we did this walk down. Let's see if that's the spot. No. In the second to the last line where it's making dreams come true, doing things we used to do, there's that B flat minor 6, which we know is open 1 1 1. But another place for a B flat minor 6 is on the 3rd fret, playing an F shape. So if we play an F on the first, well, excuse me, it's not either an F shape. It looks like an F shape, but it's 3 5 3 4. It would be the shape like a C9. So it's 3 5 3 4. And then the next chord up is a C7, which is if you leave that bar chorded, and then it's open 4 3 3. So we're just doing this. Then the next thing coming up is that D minor 7 at the 5th fret, doing things we used to do. So if we practice this a little bit on this section, now watch what I do here when I'm doing. I'll start the phrase right above that. So it's just like old times. Seems like old times. Dinner dates and flowers, seems like old times. Staying up for hours. Now I'm going to play this B flat minor 6, but watch what I do. Staying up for hours, making dreams come true, doing things we used to do. What I did was take a little bit of a pause. Now, you don't know for sure if that's a dramatic pause, a rhythmic pause, a creative pause, or just a pause that helps me get my fingers on the strings, do you? So if we time these things right, they sound intentional. And they are. They're intending to get your fingers on the strings the right way. Now, I can play it a lot faster than that. It would be making dreams come true, doing things we used to do. Seems like old times being here with you. But the point being here is it doesn't matter if you are learning the chords new or you know the chords well, there is room for dramatic effect. And so if you are struggling and you are wanting to play this, don't worry about doing what we call incessant strumming. You don't have to, this hand deserves a break once in a while. So, and this is a case where you can do that. So making dreams come true, making dreams come true, doing things we used to Creative license. That's what's going on there. So it seems like old times. Written in 1949. Thanks for the suggestion. It's a fun song. Hope this little tutorial helps out with the song. Check out if you want to see Diane Keaton sing it in the movie. Just search Diane Keaton and it seems like old times, and you'll find some YouTube footage there. So have fun with the song. Thanks for the suggestion, and check out the song sheet at UkesterBrown.com. Remember, it's a framework for fun. Have a great day.